Hi friends, this is Indian Art and Beauty channel and I am Pritha. Today I am gonna show you how to make easy earring at home using those 5 things. Now follow the steps. Now take one piece and unfold it. After unfolding all, it will look like this. Now fold it 1 or 2 times. Like this. Now follow the steps. Now you need the pins. Also you can use these silver pins. Now it will look like this. Now you can shape according what size you want. Now finally it will look like that, and you can also make like that. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe and comment below which one is better.